Hi everyone, it's Titus86606 and Xanthi. Your turn.
I have no idea what I'm doing today.
Most of you guys have probably never seen us.
Okay, let me pause this real quick. Okay, so I'm doing jammergrams, and I just got a jammergram. It's from IC97335, and I'm gonna see what it is. A rare
Lie. I don't know.
a lie. Well, thank you. Oh, she has a polar bear. Cool. I don't know what to say.
Crap. The gift, and I'm happy for you that you got your membership, I guess. And glad you got your membership.
It won't let me say it.
Members.
Member.
It's member, add some. You're supposed to click that and then put ship. You're supposed to space and then put ship. You dumbo. Oh, wait, that's funny.
Mine's retarded. So.
Maybe they thought you were going to say member S-H-I-T.
I put ship. Okay, whatever. So, yesterday, my friend, she's not on. Okay, come on. Okay, whatever, I can't find her. And I think she embodied me. But whatever. She gave me this spike. And then someone gifted me this warn I have on. And then someone traded me for those, whatever they're called, elf bracelets, I think they're called. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna go do jammergrams. Since no one knows me because this is my first video. Actually, it's not. It's my second video, but I lost my other account. So, I'm gonna just, go ahead and do this.
That fat tiger.
Move, jammer.
And no offense if you play a tiger. Just saying it's fat.
Tigers are pretty fat, yeah.
Well, they're fluffy, but they're pretty fat. Can't believe you had 2 spikes, but someone freaking scaled you.
Yeah.
I was dumb.
My den for gifting party. If Doctor will get off me.
Recording.
Okay, whatever. Someone's at my den already.
Record. I forgot how to spell record. Crap. Trading rares. You freaking non-member. How do you have rares?
I'm thinking my den's locked. Yeah, it's unlocked.
Once I was doing a party and this person is like, well, unlock your den. And I'm like, oh, crap.
I know someone did that to me too. No, festive lights aren't glitched. Shut up and get off me.
What did you say was glitched?
Festive lights, which is one of the daily things that they give you.
They're not glitched. I have like 6 of those.
I know. What? Fox, a rare fox hat for a Warren. Okay. Warrens are worth like 3 spikes, someone said. Like 4 spikes. I don't know. They're worth a spike.
You have like a bunch of your rares on there.
It's like, oh. See, festive lights aren't glitched. One girl, I bought this thing, and then she had the same thing as me, so I was going to trade her because I wanted another one. She's like, oh, it's glitched. I'm like, what? I have the same one.
Yeah, some people are stupid to get
You
nice
can buy it from the
things.
wolf party. It's the blue wolf thing. Like the fire. Oh, shut up. So, one person's at my den. And you just needed some more. People off.
Later, we're going to make another video, and I'm going to be playing also. But right now, we only have one computer.
And we're not going to be talking because we're going to be with someone else. Because they have, like, 4 computers. No, they have 3, but plus mine before. And they have 1 desktop and 2 laptops. So we're going to play that. And then maybe my other brother will.
Maybe if we can...
Unfair trade. What'd you say?
We can make them, like, go outside or something.
Or we could,
maybe,
not talk.
Maybe we'll talk. If we can get them to go outside.
Yeah, I'm going to do... Trade me my Warren for a spike. And I'm going to gift it to you. Or I might do a spike giveaway if people give me more than 1 spike. Because Warrens are worth a lot. And he just needed to put that rare.
If you get another spike, you gotta give it to me.
Okay, so I'm going to add that rare on.
What rare?
That rare Leah, something.
It's rare light. Beh.
That. The rare thing.
You'll just call it a beh.
A beh. Just to let you know, because if you guys know how to pronounce it and you like make videos or something, can you is that a fair trade? No, I like my blue one.
if you have like something if you make videos, put the video. If you watch this video, put what your video about what it's called in the comments. If you do comment. That was hard to say. That was a tongue twister.
Yes. So basically what I'm going to do is dance.
We're not doing stupid.
I know. Tongue twister. Sorry, there's like weird noises in the background. If there is weird noises, because people are being loud right now. Ha!
Mythical Fancy Pet should name... I would be like Mythical Fancy Pants. My pants are very fancy.
Okay.
Levi, shut up.
Approaching limit. I got to go. See you later, guys. Because I'm approaching my limit. Okay, I'm ending.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Bye.